We are trying to figure out if the total number of books for bookstore X, if they sold more than bookstore Y. And I've showed you my notation, my subscript. If it's an S, it's books sold on Saturday. And if it's a T, it's the total for the week. So clue 1 says more than 1,000 books were sold at bookstore X on Saturday. And there were fewer than 1,000 at bookstore Y on Saturday. Well, that doesn't tell us about the rest of the week, so that doesn't work by itself. So clue 2 says less than 20% of the books sold at bookstore X were sold on Saturday, and they tell me that more than 20% were sold on Saturday for bookstore Y. But that's not enough information to tell me about the entire book. So the next thing we do is put them together. So we know that that the number of books sold at bookstore X on Saturday was greater than 1,000. Well, let's look what happens when it's actually 1,000. So 1,000 is less than 0.2 x sub t. And of course, I can write that 20% as 1,000 is less than 20 over 100 times x sub t. So that's 1,000 times 100, multiply both sides by 100 to clear your fractions, and then divide by 20 is less than x sub t. So 20 will go into 1,000. Well, 20 will go into 100 5 times, and 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. So you got 5,000 is less than x sub t. Switch that around, and that gives me x sub t is greater than 5,000. Okay, but let's look at y. Do the very same thing for y and let y sub s be 1,000. So I got 1,000 is greater than 20 over 100 y sub t. And of course that's going to give me 5,000 is greater than y sub t, which says y sub t is less than a 5,000. So that works. That's going to tell us that the number of books sold at X is greater than the number of books sold at Y.